First thing you want to do is fill up a pot with water. Place on a stove and add some salt to it. Next, once the water is already boiling, get your spaghetti. What I like to do, I like to crack it in half so it all fits in the pot. And you just want to add it in there just like that. Next, you want to take your meat and season it. I have ground beef here. You could use ground turkey if you want to. These are the seasonings I'm going to be using in the background. And you want to season that and just mix it up as best as you can. Next, your noodles should be done by now, so you want to strain them and set them aside. The next step should be to cook the ground beef in the frying pan, and once it's all finished cooking, get your sauce and just add it in there. Then you want to mix it up. Make sure all the meat gets covered. You want to turn your stove all the way down, as low as you can get. Then you want to cover it for about 10 minutes. Take the cover off and it's done. This is everything you will need to plate it with. Well, this is what I plate it with. You're going to get your noodles. You're going to add all that nice meat and sauce on top of the noodles. Just like that. And I like a lot of Parmesan cheese, so you'll see that in this video. I will add a lot of Parmesan. But you could add as much as you want. And I like a lot of pepper too. I like it spicy. That's been the end of my video. Hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope you make this for yourself. If you do make it for yourself, just send me a video on Instagram